This is the Caterham 7 CSR 20. So this is the most expensive Caterham currently available. Only 20 of them are being made, and they're being made exclusively for the UK market. What makes this one even more special than the rest is this is car number 1 of 20. So as the CSR 20 was the first car made in the new Dartford factory by Caterham, this is actually the first of the first. So yeah, it's an extra special car, this one. I just spent about 2 hours driving back from Caterham here to Bridge, and it was a really, really fun drive. There was no dramas. It wants to go, likes to go. Got stuck in traffic for a bit. It's much more comfortable than other ones. So with the CSR chassis, it's slightly wider. They've put the comfort seats in, so it's much more comfortable. So if you want to go on longer drives, it's much more comfortable than you probably might expect from other Caterhams. So it's got 2 litre Ford Duratec engine, top speed 136, 0 to 60 time is about 3.9 seconds. So yeah, it's a quick car, nice and light, 210 brake horsepower, and I really like it. So what I like in here is it's quite futuristic, albeit basic controls on the dash. So you've got all of the little levers to start, you've got the horn, you've got the lights, all of the stuff you'd expect. Tucked away under here, you've got some USB points, so you can charge your phone and whatnot. And you can see there's lots of, they've got the comfort seats, which is really nice. Even nice carpet on the interior, so it's as basic as you'd expect from a Caterham, but it's just a beautiful, beautiful car. So as I said earlier, I drove this back. It took me about 2 and a bit hours to get back from Caterham HQ here to Bridge. I was stuck in traffic for probably half an hour, sat there, just kept ticking over, running absolutely fine. I can't think of anything on the journey back here that ever made me worry or anything. It stuck to the road really well. Obviously, as it's a Caterham, it's really fun to drive and chuck around a bit, but yeah, it's got independent rear suspension, which makes such a difference. And because the CSR chassis is slightly wider, it's just, if you're going on a longer drive and want to go in a Caterham, this is definitely the one that I would pick. So we've got car number 1 of 20 for the next 7 days, so we can give it a good road review. So if there's anything you want to see or know, just let us know.